What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you the Screamin Eagle 135 Ci Stage IV Performance Crate engine. For the rider demanding no compromise performance, this engine delivers 144 horsepower and 149 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheel. This is the most displacement and the most power ever created by Harley-Davidson for a street-compliant crate performance engine. Engineered and tested as a complete collection of high-performance components by the Screamin Eagle pros at Harley-Davidson and built from the bottom up at the powertrain operations facility in Milwaukee, this street-ready performance motor is designed for wide open throttle along with high-end RPMs and a significant torque increase from a cruising speed. The 135 Ci crate engine consists of all new Screamin Eagle Extreme CNC ported cylinder heads, high compression forged pistons, a 68mm throttle body, and a CNC machined Extreme Flow 68mm intake manifold. You also get the SC8 550 high lift cam and 6.8 gram per second fuel injectors for maximum air and fuel flow. Plus, you're getting a high-performance cam bearing, high-performance tappets, new patent-protected 4.31-inch steel sleeve cylinders, 4 5/8 flywheel, and Screamin Eagle Pro billet cam plate and oil pump. It is ready for bolt-in installation in the original equipment-style chassis of your touring motorcycle and doesn't require any special fabrication or engine mount relocation. Screamin Eagle products are not street legal in all countries. Please contact your local dealership for more information. Check the website to make sure this engine is compatible with your touring model Harley-Davidson. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.